welcome back to my channel. My name is aka Roxy, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I rock this blonde wig from BestlaceWigs. So this is the wig. It's the wig that I've been rocking on my Instagram pictures because it's super cute. I honestly didn't think this color would match me, but it actually looks really good, better than I thought. So this wig is the Iara inspired wig, which is 16 inches, 130 density, and it's a glueless full lace wig, okay? So this is the wig. It comes with a comb in the front, 2 combs in the front, and then it comes with 1 comb in the back. I already cut the lace, as you can see here, and I cut the lace on the front as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on. If you guys know, I already big chopped. Your girl is bald. I'm bald. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare my hair under my wigs, because I do not use braids. Even if I wanted to use a braid, where am I gonna grab? This is fine. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare my wigs underneath, and then I'm gonna show you and put it on. And easy as that. Another thing is also, since I am here actually in London, I don't have all my equipment. So this is a really good tutorial for those that want to style their wigs right out of the box. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and straighten it, so let's go. This is my straightener. I'm gonna be using the straightener. I'm just gonna straighten it pretty much, okay? This is the hair color. As you can see, it has some white streaks in it. It was really bleached, really nice. I definitely would not be able to get this color unless I get someone to professionally do this hair. I really like the highlights, and I'm actually a really big fan of the lowlights in the back, because when you throw your hair up front and it just has the 2 multi-chocolate kind of dimensions, it's so pretty. So pretty, as you guys can see. The density in the hair, I honestly feel like it's perfect. I know some people like 150 density, but I feel like it's really nice. So yeah, this is how the hair came out. And I hope you guys liked it. I styled this wig straight out the box because I don't have the stuff to do what I usually do as I do back at home. But since I'm in London, this is what I do. And it's still as cute and it's still as secure. And yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!